not friend of a man who will stay in a hotel in my village. You will stay with...
St. Louis, a Shopland, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Oh, right. Wooden brake blocks. How could I forget? With all the less than subtle.
Man, thanks for being my pit crew today.
Don't worry about it, kid. The least I could do.
Cup winner Chick Hicks here with the racer taking the circuit by storm. Jackson Storm.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his crime.
Tell me, please. I promise I'll keep it a secret. Okay, but...
Stanley haya cruzado este camino.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos?
¡Ah! ¡Tras él!
A car wash too, Cal? No, you're getting a car wash, McQueen.
Good comeback, Cal. Hey, look at my husband, y'all. Woo, that's your color.
Yeah, no, baby.
Don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement. Storm takes back the lead.
Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't Radiator Springs.
Yes.
Garian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock.
Me be jumping now, man.
Well, you sure ain't no dirt boy.
Not today, old man. I know all your tricks.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government!
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
But how did you...
Bonita música.
It's voice activated. Did I forget to mention that it can only be disarmed by the one who activated it?
Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Is he? Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you...
Fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Mater,
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like...
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz.
Future is all ours, Lightning. You and your team bring excellence and professionalism to this competition.
With no insult. When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama. Just like you miss...
Fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari.
Never made Dinoco proud. Thank you, King. Well, Pat, you've been good to me all these years.